Today, we'll explore the differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Here, we'll highlight the key features that distinguish these two fundamental types of cells and the components they share. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells are the two main categories of cells found in all living organisms. Eukaryotic cells are complex and include plants, animals, fungi, and protists. They are characterized by their larger size and more complex internal structure. Prokaryotic cells, on the other hand, are simpler and smaller. They include bacteria and archaea, organisms often found in a variety of environments. One of the most significant differences is the presence of a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have a membrane-bound nucleus that houses their DNA, while prokaryotic cells lack a true nucleus. Instead, the genetic material is located in a region called the nucleoid, which is not enclosed by a membrane. Eukaryotic cells also contain a variety of membrane-bound organelles, such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and in plants, chloroplasts. These organelles perform specialized functions such as energy production, protein synthesis, and waste processing. In contrast, prokaryotic cells do not have membrane-bound organelles. Instead, all their biochemical processes occur in the cytoplasm or on the plasma membrane. Both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells have a cell membrane that controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Some eukaryotic cells, particularly plant cells, also have a cell wall, which provides additional support and protection. Prokaryotic cells typically have a cell wall, but its composition is different from that of eukaryotic plants. In bacteria, the cell wall is made of peptidoglycan, a unique compound not found in eukaryotes. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell, and they are present in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. However, they differ in size and structure. Eukaryotic ribosomes are larger and more complex, while prokaryotic ribosomes are smaller. Despite these differences, the basic function of ribosomes, synthesizing proteins from genetic instructions, remains the same. The way these cells reproduce also differs. Prokaryotic cells reproduce asexually through a process called binary fission, where the cell splits into two identical cells. Eukaryotic cells undergo more complex processes like mitosis and meiosis, which involved the segregation of chromosomes and result in genetic diversity. In terms of DNA organization, eukaryotic cells have multiple linear chromosomes contained within the nucleus, while prokaryotic cells typically have a single circular chromosome. Despite their differences, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells share essential features, such as the cell membrane, ribosomes, and genetic material. These similarities highlight the unity of life at the cellular level, while their differences illustrate the diversity of life forms on Earth.